everyone, welcome to Girl Guitar. My name is Mandy Rowden and I'm going to show you how to use your tuner today. You can't play music, you can't play the guitar if you're not in tune. So it's an absolutely necessary evil and it gets easier. There are two kind of main ways to do this. The first is to load up a phone app, which there are tons of them, they're free, they're great. The one disadvantage to a phone app is that it has to be absolutely quiet while you're using it. The other alternative is to use some kind of clip-on tuner. I prefer the Snark. Everybody uses these. They're super affordable. And the advantage here is that you can clip it onto your headstock and then it heals the vibrations in the neck. So it doesn't matter if your kids are screaming or the TV's on. The way every tuner works is that there's some sort of a needle or a light that flashes back and forth, and we're almost always trying to get it right in the middle. When it goes to your left, you are flat, which is the music word for too low, and you're going to tighten the string in very small little increments and watch the needle, hit it a couple of times, watch the needle or the light get closer to the middle. If it goes to your right, you're sharp, which is music for too high, and you're going to do the opposite. You're going to loosen that string until you see it go back. So it's a little bit of a tweaking back and forth to get the thing right in the middle, and then you move on to the next string and keep going until everything's in tune. The first thing you need to understand are your string names, which starting closest to my face and going towards the floor are E, A, D, G, B, and E. That's important to know because the tuner is going to pick up the closest note to what it hears your string play. So if you're very far off when you try to tune your E string, it's not going to hear an E, and potentially you tune it to the wrong note and then you think you've done the right thing, but it sounds bad and that's frustrating. So it's important to know your string names. If you were to watch me do it, I like to get my clip-on tuner facing me like this. It's easy to see. I'm going to start here with the first string and it goes around like this, like a horseshoe as I go down towards the floor. So I would start with my E. I'm a little bit flat, so I'm going to turn in very small doses. If you don't know which way to turn, because why would you starting out, you just listen. You're going to hear the string go higher or go lower, and that'll tell you. And I tune that until I've got it right here in the middle. Then I move on to my A string. I'm a little sharp there, so I'm going to loosen. Notice I'm turning in little tiny micro turns. Don't turn big. That'll get you in trouble. And then vice versa. I just keep on going through all the strings. Takes a couple of seconds for each one, then I'm in tune and I'm ready to play. And everything I ever play is going to sound better for being in tune. So it's totally worth it. Don't blow this step off. You can't play without it. It's that kind of a big deal. If you want to learn more about what we're talking about in this video or girl guitar in general, you can check out girlguitaraustin.com, and you can also reach me through that website, and I would love to chat with you.